Why butter melts so easily. If you've ever left butter on the counter, you've seen this happen. You take it out of the fridge, you turn away for a short while, and suddenly it's soft, not warm, not liquid, just barely holding its shape. It feels almost suspicious. Other foods stay solid at room temperature. Butter doesn't. So why does butter melt so easily? Is it fragile? Is it overprocessed? Or is there something unique happening inside butter that makes it behave this way? The answer has nothing to do with weakness. Butter melts easily because it's engineered by nature to melt at exactly the temperature of the human body. And that story starts with fat. What butter actually is. Butter looks simple, but it's chemically unusual. Butter is made by churning cream, which separates fat from liquid. What you're left with is mostly milk fat plus a small amount of water and milk solids. But here's the key detail. Butterfat isn't one type of fat. It's a mixture of hundreds of different fatty acids, each with a different melting point. Some melt at very low temperatures, others need more heat. Together, they create a fat that starts softening around room temperature and fully melts just above it. Why butter is solid in the fridge, but soft on the counter. At refrigerator temperatures, most of butter's fats are solid, but as soon as the temperature rises, the lowest melting fats liquefy first. That's why butter doesn't go from hard to liquid instantly. It passes through a soft stage. This gradual melting makes butter perfect for spreading, baking, and cooking. It's not an accident. Butter's relationship with body temperature. Here's the reason butter melts so easily. The average human body temperature is about 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, 37 degrees Celsius. Butter begins melting just below that. That means butter melts in your mouth. This creates the smooth, rich sensation we associate with butter. Cheese, chocolate, and many luxury foods are designed, intentionally or unintentionally, to melt at similar temperatures. Butter just did it first. Why margarine behaves differently. If you've ever noticed that margarine melts differently, there's a reason. Margarine is made from vegetable oils that are chemically altered to behave like solid fat. Its melting point is engineered. Butter's melting point is natural. That's why margarine often melts unevenly or feels waxy in the mouth. Butter melts cleanly because its fat composition is more complex. The crystal structure inside butter. Inside solid butter, fat molecules arrange themselves into tiny crystals. These crystals hold the butter together. As temperature rises, the crystals break apart. Once enough crystals collapse, the butter loses structure and flows. Different butter brands can melt differently depending on how the butter was cooled and stored. This is why professional bakers care so much about butter temperature. Why butter melts faster than other fats. Compare butter to oils. Oils are liquid at room temperature because their fatty acids stay flexible. Butter contains more saturated fats, which pack tightly and form solids. But butter also contains enough low-melting fats to destabilize that structure quickly. It lives on the edge between solid and liquid. Why salted butter melts slightly differently. Salted butter can soften a little faster. Salt affects water distribution inside butter, which slightly alters its structure. The difference is subtle, but noticeable in baking. This is why recipes often specify salted or unsalted butter. Why butter burns if you heat it too much. Butter melts easily, but it also burns easily. That's because butter contains milk solids. As butter heats, water evaporates, fat melts, and milk solids remain. Those solids burn at relatively low temperatures. That's why clarified butter and ghee exist. They remove the solids, raising the smoke point. Butter was never meant to stay solid. Historically, butter was stored cool but not refrigerated. People expected it to soften. Its melting behavior wasn't a flaw, it was a feature. Cold storage changed how we think butter should behave, but its chemistry never changed. Why butter melting matters in cooking. Butter's low melting point is why it works so well in pastries. It creates layers. It coats flour. It traps air. Understanding butter temperature is the difference between flaky and flat. The big takeaway: butter melts easily because it's made of many fats with different melting points. It begins melting near body temperature. Its crystal structure collapses gradually. Nature optimized it for taste and texture. Butter isn't unstable. It's precisely balanced. If you enjoyed this breakdown, check out our playlist, where we explain why everyday foods behave the way they do, one simple question at a time.